Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about how to create holes on an Extrude. In this tutorial, you will learn about types of holes created on an Extrude. So let's start this tutorial. Go to sketch. Yes, select XY plane, then OK. First we have to draw from top view, so you can see this as a rectangle, and in middle there is a slot of 25 into 40. So let's start this. Select rectangle tool by 2 points, start from center. So you have to put this 110 and height is 60. Okay, our rectangle is now ready. Let's change the dimension. Okay, you can see this is a 60 and our it is 110. So our dimension is now okay. We have to let's finish this sketch. Sorry. After this, we have to create a slot here. Let's see. We have to slot of 25 into 40. So let's start. Which select a rectangle. We have to change this method to from center. Select center. Let's 50 and height is 40. Our slot is created. We have to now eliminate this yet or trim this extra lines. So select a quick trim to remove a curve. To trim this, also trim this. Now our 2D geometry is now created. Here is you see sketch is fully constant with 2 auto dimensions. Now we have to change this auto dimension, convert to driving. Okay, now here is convert to driving. You can see this our full rectangle is now created. Here you can see this there is a chamfer on 4 sides, so we have to create this chamfer 3 into 45 degree by let's start. Select a chamfer tool. So here you can see chamfer type, symmetric, asymmetric and offset and angle. We have to choose offset and angle and lock this distance and angle. We have to put a 3 mm offset and 45 angles. Now we have to select a corner between 2 lines. You can see offset is 3 mm, angle is 45 mm created. Now this also this and this. Our 1 2 3 4 chamfer is now completed. Now close this. Sketch is fully constant. Now we have to compare this as per our top view. Our 2D geometry is now created. We have to finish this sketch. Now we have to extrude this. Select extrude. Select section curve. Select direction, specific vector already selected. Now we have to extrude this. We have to find here you can see 80 mm height or extruded, so we have to extrude 80 mm. You put 80 mm. Now we have to use this, change to none and okay. Our first process is complete and again we have to process second step, you can see there is a cut here, so we have to cut this from this side view. So we have to create a rectangle and extrude cut. So we have to find the dimension of extrude cut of rectangle. You can see 80 mm, subtract 30 mm, you find 50 mm this, and from subtract 60 from 25 you can find this 35 mm. So let's draw it. Go to sketch, select side plane, then okay. Go to rectangle, changing this from 2 points. Now let's corner. Select section curve, change reverse direction. Here we have to change the value from until next. We have to change this boolean from none to subtract. Select the body. Okay. Our next step is also completed. So we have to go for the third process. You can see here you will find this. The corner is now round. We have to remove these sharp edges. Okay, now we have to, for this we have to select edge blend. Here you can select this edge and this edge. We have to select the radius here. You can see this radius is 6 mm, so we have to put 6 mm. Okay, now you can see both sides our edges are now round. Our third process is also completed. Now fourth process is to create 2 holes. You can see this, the dimension of these holes and the position of these holes. Now okay, let's do it. For this we have to select a hole tool. Here I will explain this. Okay, now this you can select a general hole, drill size hole, screw clearance hole, threaded hole. We have to choose general hole. Now we have to form and direction. You can see this here. You can see the whole type of counter board. So we have to also choose the counter board. Now we have to put dimension. Next, subtract. Now we have to specify then select the point. Okay, now I have to dimension this, position this point. For this we have to calculate here from this 25 and 30, top 25 and 30. So select a rapid dimension. You can select point 25 mm. Now I have to choose this 30 mm. Our first hole is now created. Finish this sketch. Okay. Next we have to create same identical holes from distance here to here by 50 mm. You can see this 50 mm distance. We have to create again. Okay, dimension is, can choose a rapid dimension, select point like this. Here you can define 50 mm. Okay, now here we have to coincidence this axis, this and this, so we have to go to geometrical point. You can see this point on curve, select a point, select axis. Now you can see this our point is go to this axis and both points are same axis. So to see this sketch is fully constant. Now finish this. You can see this our desired 3D model is now complete. Our tutorial is now completed. Thank you.